Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trading. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Uh, I did not post a video during the weekend because of Christmas and stuff, and today I'm recording the video right at 7 p.m. But I'm not sure when I'll be able to upload it because there is some issues with the internet at my place, and currently I'm using my uh, phone internet. But anyways, this video will definitely reach out to you. So what happened in the market today? Fantastic rally in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty was sustainable, so it gave a sustainable move, but Bank Nifty was completely short covered. So if you remember, we have been talking about short covering expectations from FIIs because they had too many shorts added into the system, and we definitely wanted them to cover because the market was continuously under selling pressure. And we were on an important support in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you look at Nifty, Nifty gave a close around 0.5 level of Fibonacci, which is considered to be a strong reversal point. And similarly, Bank Nifty was also at 0.382. So these are retracement levels for the upside rally that it gave for a long period now. So both were there at the same place, and I also bought some of the stocks as holdings. Like it was small shopping on the Christmas, like a lot of people do it on the Diwali. And the reason for buying these stocks were like market was at an important level, and apart from that, uh, I wanted to start with an SIP for myself. So I thought, let me just punch in some amount into the stocks which are at lows. So if you look at these stocks that I purchased, they are trading at around 0.618 and 0.5 levels, uh, like that. So reversal or an recovery is definitely expected. And apart from Paytm, I guess all the other stocks are good stocks. Most of them are from Tata. Okay. And LIC is something which I have been holding it for some time now. And these are something which I purchased on Friday, hence it is not reflecting under my holdings, like it still says T+1 pending. But definitely gave me good profits within a day. Like the total PNL is around 2,000 rupees. So good for an investment of around, I think I invested around 60,000 or something like that. So a very good catch, I would say. And a lot of people would have a question like, why did I buy Paytm? See, Paytm is definitely, it was the worst performing stock in the year 2022 since the time it launched the IPO. But the only reason for buying this is there is 77% of FII holdings in this, and the stock's value at the launch of IPO was around 2,200, and now it is almost trading below 500. So I thought, let me buy some, and obviously, like you put some money into a risky portfolio, right? So that's what I did here, and I may add more if it comes down, or I may pyramid if I feel that it is ready to give an up move. Is what my plan is. So let's get back to our analysis. Nifty, Bank Nifty both respected all the levels very well. But this kind of a short covering, I think no one expected today in the market. But definitely this was needed because FIs were holding too many shorts. Now let's quickly look at the data and plan to trade tomorrow. And like the short covering that we see, so there are two probability of short covering. One is short covering of futures from FIIs, And the other thing was there were too many call shorts that were created on Friday from proprietary desk. Looks like they also have covered the shorts. So this helped the entire rally. Okay. So FIs, they closed some longs here and they closed good amount of shorts. Okay, so this is purely profit booking. So we must understand that. But no new positions being taken in the futures. Probably because this is, like a vacation for them, and they might have not created much of a position in the future. But definitely they have created some positions in the options. The first thing is if you look at the call, they have closed long positions as well as they have closed short positions. So we'll ignore this. But today we can see a good amount of put writing seen from the FIIs. So the net short is around 1 lakh 1,000. So definitely there is a very good support being created for this particular expiry in Nifty and Bank Nifty by FIs and pros. Pros also have a good amount of shorts created in the put options. So when both of them are on the short side, so FIIs and pros, both of them are having put shorts. So put shorts means not being market being bullish, but put shorts means market has good support. So this is what we can understand. And second thing is since both of them are on the same side, tomorrow market can be in a range and it can be volatile too. Since market gave a fantastic rally today, a lot of them especially when these people are holding so many positions, they will like to book some of their positions, and a lot of retailers would want to change the position because retailers are completely bearish at this place, so they may want to switch over their positions. So the market can be volatile tomorrow, but it could be in a predictable range. So this is what we understand from the data. Now let's look at the chart and plan where we need to enter. So now the question is where Bank Nifty will get bearish. Bank Nifty will get bearish only below 42,226. Below this is Bank Nifty can be bearish. And what is that point? Friday's first 15 minutes candle high. So that is the level. Below that, Bank Nifty can get bearish. Any dip until this place should be a buying opportunity. Okay, so any dip towards 42,200, we'll use that as a buying opportunity, and any significant gap up. See, this is the place where we saw big red candles coming in. We know that these red candles were because of the too many shorts that FIs had, and they added more. So 43,000 can be a good resistance. Okay. Whether we can break the resistance? Yes, obviously, because right now they have too many put shorts. So, if they shift their puts, obviously the market can break out these levels and travel upside. So, but in case if we open gap up tomorrow, okay, say we are opening it around this area between 43 thousand to 43,200. Here, they will definitely look for profit booking because both of them have carried so many puts, and for the expiry there is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 3 days remaining, and tomorrow it's Fin Nifty expiry too. So market can be in a predictable range. Like if in case if it opens here, we may see slow profit bookings, and it may come up to this level also 42,200. So in case if that happens, no, 42,200 would be too much, no? This is like 1,000 points fall. So at least we can expect until 42,630. Like they can fill the gap. Okay, I think it is better we convert this into a 5 minutes time frame. Otherwise, the level looks too small and we may miss out on important levels. Okay, now this is 5 minutes. So let's plan the opening. So in case if we open flat, okay, we have closed around 0.236. If we close below this with a follow through candle, we may go for a dip at 42,226. So here you can trade less quantity of put and book at 42,226. But this dip, as I told you, this is for buying. Here you can go for a call. And what should be your target? Your target should be around 43,000. Okay, this is in case of flat opening, and if the market is coming down and giving a dip, in this case, we will go and buy a call at this place for a target of 42,933,950 or 43,000 you can plan. In case if we open gap down, say we are opening below 42,500 and immediately we're giving a dip to 42,226. Here you just wait for two green candles, that is like a follow through candle, and you can go for a call trade here. Your first target should be 42,900. Okay, so this is in case of a gap down and the market is moving up. Then based on the new option chain data, you'll have to plan and see if it is giving a breakout of this level or not. And you may also see that in the price action, it may start consolidating here and give a breakout. So these are two scenarios, gap down and flat. A third is gap up opening, like we said. So we have closed around 42,600. So tomorrow, if we open at 42,900 or 43,000 also, 42,900 to 43,000, then also we may expect profit booking. So in this case, I would like to buy a put at this place, and my target should be around 42,500. Okay, and then we can expect the market to be sideways at least until 1 p.m. till the time the expiry trading happens on Nifty. So this is my view on Bank Nifty, and let's discuss Nifty. Okay, Nifty, I have it here. Okay, we have 5 minutes time frame chart here. So Nifty at the end it came with some sharp selling in the last few minutes. But apart from that, Nifty was quite decently moving. Okay, so 18,050 or 18,070, this is the resistance. Like Nifty took support at 0.5, but definitely 0.382 level can act as a resistance. So now the actual rally will only come above this level. The next attempt would be around 18,200. So tomorrow, if we open flat and if we give a dip until say 17,960, this should be taken as a buying opportunity. So keep this in mind, and your target should, your SL should be anywhere around 17,925, not beyond this, because if it starts giving closing here, then it may go for a dip until 0.5 again. So we do not want anything like that. So 925 would be somewhere around this place. Okay, this is a small swing. So what I do is, even if I see a two candle closing like this, I exit my position. Okay, so that way you can do. So this is an important level. So we need to see it should take support and travel to 18,070. So this is a 100-point move that you can capture. Since it came down heavily at the last moment, the recovery can be also a little slower. Okay, so keep that in mind. But buying on dip is a very good strategy in Bank Nifty rather than Nifty looking at the price. Any gap down opening, say below 17,965, then Nifty can trade sideways with so it can trade sideways to slightly bearish. Okay. And let's discuss gap up opening. So if Nifty opens gap up say around 18,150. This will be considered as a gap fill. Okay, we have a gap here. So then again, we may see some profit booking. So here you can go for a put, and your target should be around 18,020. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Uh, I'll come up with a long-term analysis video maybe tomorrow or something like that, and let's see if we can learn anything from that. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.